Today we're looking at Turtle. We're looking at Python Turtle, not real turtles. So the objective of this lesson is for you to create code using a range of sequence, which is step-by-step, selection, which is decisions if, and if else, and iterations, which are loops. The key question is, how are you able to identify errors in your code and debug it? You need to work at it like a detective, given clues, some of them red herrings, but step by step you can debug it and work out what's gone wrong. It's copy and do exercise, really. So looking at this code, the question is, what will it draw? So let's break it down. We're importing a turtle module here. Word of warning, when you go to make your turtle file, make sure you do not call it turtle. If you call your file turtle, the first thing it will import is itself, which makes no sense at all, but Turtle is a library held in some files within Python. It will go to the first folder it looked for, and if it imports itself, it will do nothing. So you'll have to delete that file. Please do not name your files Turtle. Okay, so looking at this, we've got 3 sets of loops. And we're asking that to do 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. And we've got red, and we've got forward 50, right 120. Now that's degrees. So what do you think this makes? Well done if you said 3 triangles. Let's see how it works. So remember, to run this, I click Run Module, and there are my 3 triangles. Now, for you to code, what you're going to need to do is, when you search for idle, remember, if that version doesn't work, there might be another version hiding. If it comes up with error message, go and find the other version. It might be 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. Click Open. When you get to this page, you're going to need to go to File, New File. I recommend you do this, Save As, and we're going to call it Turtle1. Do not call it Turtle. You're going to click on this one first, Python Turtle Fast Track, and you are going to drag this across, drag your window across, and you're going to read through this. Please read the introduction. It explains a lot of things. You don't need to do the hello world. We've done that before. But you are going to type like this. So copy what is there. Good luck if you try and copy and paste. You deserve what you get. It will not work. Yeah, you're going to work through this. When you've read this and done the activities it says, I want you to then move on to number 5, which is the other PDF that is there. Good luck, have fun, and if you get both those sheets done, what I want you to do is to do a screenshot of your best Python Turtle creation and add it to the attachment, please.